Hello lovely souls, welcome back to our channels. Today, let me introduce you guys to a very special video. A video that will change your life and your relationship with money. I'm sure most of you have already heard or are familiar with the concept of the law of attraction. The fascinating world of the law of attraction is where dreams and desires perform a magnificent dance. The world attracts everything you want. The desire and dreams come true. So, brace yourself for the influence of this undeniable law of attraction to bring prosperity and money to your life. Let's open the breathtaking gateway towards the limitless power of the human mind, its capabilities, and how to use this power to attract more money, abundance, and prosperity in your life. In a nutshell, the law of attraction is a belief. A belief that says like attracts like. You attract what you think. If you are thinking about positive things in your life, you attract positivity. And if you think about negative things, you attract more negativity. Oftentimes you guys have felt that whenever you face some troubles or any situations that you don't like, you all become like, why do bad things happen to me all the time? It's because you get upset when you think one bad thing is happening in your life. You feel like you will never get out of that place. And same goes for positive energy. Positive things. When you have fun and feel like everything in life is going according to plan, you start to feel good about it. You only attract and feel good things. So, the end concept and law of the law of attraction is that you attract what you think. You attract what you feel. Everything in this universe is about vibrations, frequency, and energy. So you have to match the energy that you want to attract in your life. And the only way to do that is by manifesting about it, thinking only about the things you want in life. We can attract good things, abundance, and prosperity by thinking about it. You just need to change the mindset and voila, you can attract the things you desire in the snap of a finger. A Venezuelan spiritual teacher and metaphysical author, Conny Mendez, is one of the strong advocates of the law of attraction. The teaching inspired by Conny Mendez is profound all over the world and strongly believes in the law of attraction. She has inspired people from different places. Her teachings on the power of positive thinking and prayer are respected and accepted by millions of people. In fact, there is this one prayer or an exercise that anyone can perform and be loved and witnessed by a lot of people who wanted to attract money in their lives. And in this video, my friend will be sharing how to use and unleash the power of abundance, the power to attract money and prosperity in your life. Before starting, I want you guys to find a very comfortable or cozy place where you can practice along with me. You don't have to worry about finding a separate place. It can be anywhere until and unless you feel comfortable. A spot that is calm and peaceful for you. The spot should be distraction-free, peaceful, and comfortable for you. And when you find the spot, play the video and be ready to see and feel some miraculous change in your life. To meet the immediate need, there is a powerful way. And through positive thinking, we can bring abundance and prosperity into our life in no time. The first step is to set a clear intention. When I say clear intention, it means what you really want right now. A clear goal is what you want and why. You don't have to worry about how that might come true. You just need to desire what you want. For instance, you want money. So think about money. Think about your bank balance. Imagine the numbers and digits that you want to have. Set your clear intention about how much you want. Congratulations on finding out what you want. So, after you have decided what you desire and how much money you want, now it's time to craft a short affirmation. The affirmation should be positive and clear. You don't want any confusion. Remember, if you are confused and having doubts, it won't work. You have to have faith in this. For example, I have abundance in life. I have money. I have prosperity. I have what I want. Remember, it's not about asking it. It is about feeling it. Feel that you already have it. If you don't feel like you have the money, you won't attract money. Don't lose the very core concept of the law of attraction. Like attracts like. Third step, you can close your eyes. It will help in concentrating and making your desire come true faster. It might all sound superstitious while listening to this video and doing it. But trust the process. Have faith in this. Believe in me and you will definitely see the results. So just trust the process. After you close your eyes, take deep breaths and go to this meditative state. Imagine you have enough money. You never lack money. Imagine you are counting money. See stuffing your wallet with money. Feel the money. Feel the satisfaction and relief you always get after having money in your hand. Imagine your bank balance having enough digits that you have always wished to have. Imagine getting enough money till it overwhelms you. Feel the texture of money. Repeat till you subconsciously feel that it's real. Visualize it. Feel it. Don't worry about what you don't have right now. Just make your subconscious believe that it's real and you have it. You don't have any trouble regarding money. Keep affirming you have money and you have no trouble in having money coming in your life. You are rich and abundant. You attract prosperity wherever you go. Visualize it. Imagine it. Feel prosperity. Feel money. Fourth step. Now, after imagining and visualizing what you want, think that you already have it. Show your gratitude to the universe for providing you with such an amount of money. Be thankful. Say thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for the money, for happiness, for prosperity, and thank you for your blessings. Be very genuine. Show immense gratitude towards the universal power. It might sound funny, and you might not believe what you're doing right now. But believe me, there might be questions like how can I even thank for the things that I have not gotten yet, and other confusion as well. But trust the process. Be thankful, be sincere, and show your gratitude to the universe. Believe in that energy. Believe that you have already given what you have been asking. Fifth step. And here comes the last step, which is surrender. Surrender everything to the universal energy. Believe that you have money. Believe that everything you have asked for in the universe is with you, and all of them are making ways to come to you. You have money. You have a purse stuffed with money, and you cannot have enough of it. Don't worry about where and how the money will come to you. You just have to have faith in the universe. You just have to believe. Believe that you have money. You attract prosperity. You attract abundance. You always have money. You never get in trouble with money. Affirm that. Affirm it daily. This not only speeds up the process, but it retains forever. You have to be consistent. You have to release your worries, your doubts. The universe is working for you. You just have to ask for it and believe in it. Section 4. The power of consistency. Once you follow the steps, be consistent, be optimistic, be positive about it, have faith, believe in what you can have. Worries, leave it to the universe. It's not your job to think about how and when. Everything will fall into place at the right time. You just need to be consistent and believe in what you deserve. And you deserve money. You deserve prosperity. You deserve abundance. And since you think you deserve all of these, you have it. You have money. You attract prosperity and abundance. Never forget that consistency is the key. Have faith in the law of attraction and always think of what you want. You will get what you think.